How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Rockin' the Motor City Fireworks second annual fireworks demo night. I'm here at our private shoot site getting ready for the show. It's almost sundown and it's almost time to light things off. As you can see right here, we've got all of our fireworks laid out in order. This is the demo portion of our show. We're going to be showing everybody the brand new products for the year. After that, it's on to bigger and better things, our grand finale. And it's going to be out of control.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how Motor City Fireworks does it!
Finale was awesome, loved it. Our family comes here the last 2 years we've had it. It's great, we plan on coming every year. We do a grand finale at our house, we try and do the best we can. Like Motor Cities, there's no way, but they give us inspiration on how to put it together though. It's great.
Finale was excellent. I don't even know where to start. Big breaks, lots of fireworks, very high, lots of concussive force, lots of color, long.
My favorite was the finale. My favorite part was the very end when it all just came together and it made this one big noise and it just came together.
Yeah, thank you for the excitement. I appreciate it. Bling bling.
Thank you so much for coming out to Motor City Fireworks second annual fireworks demo night, Rockin' the Motor City. It was an absolutely amazing night. We launched a ridiculous amount of fireworks. We lit up the sky, and we definitely melted some faces. Hopefully we'll do this again next year, even bigger and better. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.